Are you always wondering where your money goes? You get paid and 2 weeks later, poof, you're broke again? If that sounds like you, don't worry. You're not alone. Today, I'm going to share the biggest money mistakes that are secretly keeping you broke, and more importantly, how you can fix them. Let's go. Hi, this is MPairX Finance. On this channel, I share simple money tips to help you save more, stress less, and build the life you want. If that sounds good, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. 1. Living without a budget. First mistake, not having a budget. Think of a budget like a map for your money. Without it, your cash just disappears, and you're left wondering why your account is empty. Fix. Write down your income and expenses, even if it's just on a piece of paper or a simple app. Tell your money where to go before it decides for you. 2. Impulse spending. Second mistake, impulse spending. You know that feeling. You walk into a shop for one thing and walk out with 5. Or maybe it's those late-night online shopping vibes. It feels good for a moment, but later, regret. Fix. Try the 24-hour rule. If you see something you want, wait a day. If you still want it tomorrow, then maybe it's worth it. 3. Relying on debt. Third mistake, depending on debt to survive. Using credit cards or loans for everyday expenses is like pouring water into a leaking bucket. It never fills up. Fix. Use credit wisely. If you can't pay it back by the end of the month, don't swipe it. Start with cash or debit so you only spend what you actually have. 4. No emergency fund. Fourth mistake, having no emergency savings. One flat tire, one hospital bill, and boom, your whole budget is destroyed. Fix. Start small. Even saving just $1 a day adds up to over $300 a year. It's not about the amount, it's about building the habit. 5. Forgetting subscriptions. Fifth mistake, paying for stuff you don't even use. Gym memberships, streaming apps, phone data you don't finish. These little charges quietly eat your money every month. Fix. Go through your subscriptions today. Cancel the ones you don't use. That's money back in your pocket instantly. 6. Ignoring investments. Sixth mistake, letting your money sleep. If your cash is just sitting in a regular account, it's losing value because of inflation. Fix. Learn about simple investments. It could be mutual funds, index funds, or even a savings plan that gives you interest. The key is to start small and start early. 7. Lifestyle creep. And finally, mistake number 7, lifestyle creep. Every time your income goes up, your spending goes up too. New clothes, new phone, new car. Suddenly, you're earning more, but still broke. Fix. When you get a raise or extra income, save or invest at least half of it before you upgrade your lifestyle. The good news? You can avoid all these mistakes. Start with just one change. Track your spending this week. You'll be surprised how much difference it makes. Call to action. So tell me, what money mistake are you guilty of? Drop it in the comments. No shame. We've all been there, me too. And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs these tips. Let's build better money habits together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.